Reliance Nippon Life Fixed Money Back Plan. Will investing in this policy help provide financial security for your family in terms of savings and protection in the long term? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So this is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan, and some of the key features of this policy are: you can enjoy life cover throughout your policy term, and you also have the option to continue receiving your survival and maturity benefits even in your absence. And there are two plan options for you to choose from, with death benefits tailored to your life insurance coverage needs. And you can also get guaranteed fixed money back benefits during the last 4 years leading up to the maturity of this policy. And you can additionally receive a lump sum maturity benefit at the end of the policy term, and you have the flexibility to select your premium payment term and policy term. So these are some of the key features of this policy. Now let's take a look at the benefits available under this plan. So first of all, there is something called fixed money back benefits. So this is a percentage of your base sum assured, and this will differ based on the plan option you have chosen, and the percentage of base sum assured you will get will depend on the policy term you have chosen also. For more details, you can always refer to the policy brochure. And you have maturity benefit, which is something that you get once the policy matures as a policy holder. So the maturity benefit of your policy is 40% of your base sum assured, and also your fixed loyalty addition, which is equal to 3% of your base sum assured times the policy term. So suppose you have chosen the plan option A in this policy, then this is payable on the survival of the policyholder at the end of the policy term. But if you have chosen the plan option B, then this is payable irrespective of the death or survival of the policyholder. Now is the death benefit. So death benefit highly differs based on the plan option you have chosen. So whichever plan option you have chosen, that benefit will be given to your nominee or legal heir in case the policy holder unfortunately passes away during the policy term. You can refer to the policy brochure for more details regarding this. Now let us move on to understanding the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this plan. So the advantages are: you can take up a loan of up to 80% of your policy surrender value, and there are additional riders which can be included in this policy to enhance your coverage, and there are flexible premium payment options which are available, allowing you to pay annually, semi-annually, quarterly or monthly. And there is a rebate on your base premium rates which is offered for higher sum assured amount. Now let's move on to the disadvantage. So the life cover offered here is inadequate, and receiving the fixed money back benefit annually might lead to unnecessary spending. The returns here are also relatively low. The fixed money back benefit here cannot be deferred or postponed, which may not suit your financial requirements, which is also a drawback. And the yearly withdrawals in this policy disrupt the compounding growth of your investment. So these are all some of the drawbacks that are present in this policy, which you need to carefully consider before deciding to invest in it. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let's move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to assess the potential returns we can get from this policy by analyzing the internal rate of return (IRR) of this policy based on the benefit illustration they have provided for us in the policy brochure. So let us assume that, just for example purpose, that we assume a 30-year-old male opts for this policy with a 20-year policy term with the death benefit option A and a base sum assured of 10 lakhs. So he pays an annual premium of 95,426 rupees for 10 years. So starting at the end of the 16th policy here, he receives 1,50,000 annually for 4 years, which is 15% of your base sum assured. So at maturity, you get 4 lakhs, which is 40% of your base sum assured, and additional 6 lakhs as a loyalty bonus. Now, as you can see, the IRR for this cash flow is 3.59% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So, although the plan provides guaranteed and regular payouts, the returns are underwhelming for investor. Moreover, the periodic payouts may not be enough to cover substantial expenses and could even encourage unnecessary spending. The life cover provided here is also insufficient to secure your family's future financial needs. So, given the low return, inflexible cash payout, and inadequate life cover, the Reliance Nippon Life Money Back plan does not seem to be a effective investment option. Now let's move on to the another analysis part of the video where we are going to conduct a comparative analysis, because as we can see this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome. Now we are going to explore alternate investment options where we are going to see whether these better alternatives can provide us the same cash payout and life cover as this policy with a better yield of return. So what we are going to do is, instead of investing in an insurance investment policy like this, we are going to separate these two components and invest in it separately. So just for example purpose, let us assume that using the same metrics as the previous example, we are going to take up a pure term life insurance policy for life cover purpose with a sum assured of 10 lakhs for a 20-year policy term with a 10-year premium payment term, which is similar to Reliance policy, but the difference is here we are only going to pay an annual premium of 6,600 rupees, whereas we paid 92,000 premium for Reliance policy. So this leaves us with 88,826 rupees annually, which can be invested based on your risk profile. So if you are a low risk investor, you might opt for debt instrument like the Public Provident Fund PPF, while if you are a higher risk investor, then you could choose equity based options such as equity linked savings scheme ELSS. So for this analysis, we are going to assume an ELSS investment, which is also a tax saving equity tool. So after 16 years, the ELSS investment is shifted to an instrument yielding 7% per annum, and the annual withdrawals begin from there, mirroring the money back payout from the Reliance policy. So finally, the remaining amount is fully withdrawn to match the maturity benefit of this policy. So as you can see, the pre-tax value of the ELSS fund is 34.45 lakhs. But after accounting for the capital gains tax, the post-tax value is 31.41 lakhs. From this, 1.5 lakhs is withdrawn annually, and at the end of the policy term, the remaining 25.41 lakhs is fully withdrawn. So the IRR for this cash flow is 8.10%, which is definitely an inflation beating return. And as you can see, this alternative does provide similar cash flow pattern to the Reliance policy. However, if you choose not to make annual withdrawal, your returns could improve even more. So while planning for life's financial goals, separating investment from life insurance proves to be a more effective strategy than relying on cash payout from the money back plans. Now, what is the final verdict on the Reliance Nippon Life Fixed Money Back Plan? Is it worth investing or not? As you can see, this plan does offer liquidity during the last 5 years of the policy term along with life cover throughout the policy term. While the cash payouts at the end of the term are guaranteed, they may not actually align with your actual financial needs, potentially leading to discretionary spending. So as analysis of the returns shows us that the Reliance Nippon Life Money Fixed Back Plan is a suboptimal product with returns falling below the inflation rate. The lack of flexibility in how you receive these payouts combined with low returns makes it less appealing for investor. Moreover, the sum assured is insufficient to meet a family's basic financial needs, and it has a high agent commission. So pure term life insurance policy provide you with higher coverage at much more affordable premium. So money back plans on the other hand offers insufficient life coverage and tend to offer payouts that don't match real financial needs, reducing their effectiveness. It is advisable to keep your investments separate rather than combining them with a money back or traditional life insurance plan. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.